bust into summer fun with the Swell Totes here in front of Coaster's Drive-In.
Sunshine bright on my happy summer. Well, school's not bad, but summer's better. It gives me more time to see my girl. Walks through the park in the shiny moon. When the kiss she makes my flat top girl. It's summer. Feel her lips so close to mine. Here comes summer. When we meet, our hearts entwine. It's the greatest. Summer all the time, we'll let the sun shine bright on my happy summer home.
Cedar Point is a child dream, coaster's ice cream, of rocketing upside down, of spinning on a merry-go-round. With Cedar Point, dream of flying high. We'll start, laugh, and touch the sky. I hope we'll get to see the sandy shores of Lake Erie. The dreams come true at Cedar Point. We dream of this amazing land, songs and shows and dancing bands. Wild mouse spin you round and round. Endless summer has been found.
Here comes summer. She'll be with me every day. Here comes summer. Meet the king on Midway if she's willing. We'll be steady right away. Let the sun shine bright on my happy summer. Let the sun shine bright at Cedar Point. Why, what a beautiful day it is here at Cedar Point. Isn't it, Maxine?
It sure is, Rufus. And I think I'd like to go for a little drive. Riding along in my automobile. My baby beside me at the wheel. I stole a kiss at the turn of a mile. My curiosity running wild. While cruising and blaring my radio. Particular place to go. Riding along in my automobile. I was anxious to tell him the way I feel. So I told him softly and sincere. As he leaned and whispered in my ear. Cuddling more and driving slow. With no particular place to go.
Oh, well, I roam from town to town. I go through life without a care, till I am happy as a clown, with my 2 fists of iron and I'm going nowhere. Oh, well, I'm the type of guy who likes to roam around, never in the place. I like to roam from town to town. When I find myself falling for some girl, I hop right into that car and ride around the world. Yeah, I'm a wanderer. I roam around. Yeah, I'm a wanderer. I roam around. Sure thing, Eddie. Won't come back from Dead Man's Curve. I was cruising in my Speedway late one night when an XK pulled up on the right. He rolled down the window of a shiny new Jag and challenged me then and there to a drag. I said, "You're on, buddy, my bill's running fine. Then come on the line down on Sunset and Vine. I'll show you one better if you got the nerve and race all the way to the Dead Man's Curve. There's no place to play. Dead Man's Curve, let's keep away. Dead Man's Curve, I can hear him say, I think it's time for a big party.
At the beach. This might sound crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. Hot air balloon, they can go to space. Yeah, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Happiness is you. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you that's what you want to do. Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised through the hamburger stand now. Seems she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. But with the radio blasting goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes her T-bird away. Well, through all along that your dad was getting wise to you now.
I know you shouldn't have lied.
Since he took his set of keys, you've been thinking that your front is all through now.
I know you shouldn't have lied.
But you can come along with me, cause we got a lot of things to do now.
I know you shouldn't have lied.
And we'll have fun, 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 now that daddy took your T-bird. Fun, 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 now that daddy took your T-bird away.
Bring me down, can't nothing. Bring me down, my level's too high. Bring me down, can't nothing. Bring me down, my level's too high. Bring me down, can't nothing. Bring me down, my level's too high. Bring me down, can't nothing. Bring me down.
And we'll have fun, 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 now that daddy took your T-bird. Fun, 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 now that daddy. And we'll have fun, 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 now that daddy took your T-bird. Because I'm happy.
Well, gang, this sure is a blast. Let's keep this beach party rocking. Hey, Corey.
Chewing out a rhythm on my bubble gum. Sun is out and I want some. It's not hard, not far to reach. We can hitch a ride to Rockaway Beach.
Up on the roof, out on the street, down in the playground, the hot concrete.
Bus ride, is too short. They bust up and just on the radio. Rock, rock, Rockaway Beach. Rock, rock, Rockaway Beach. Rock, rock, Rockaway Beach. We can hitch a ride to Rockaway Beach. Rock, rock, Rockaway Beach. Rock, rock, Rockaway Beach. Rock, rock, Rockaway Beach. We can hitch a ride to Rockaway Beach. We can hitch a ride to Rockaway. Well, she was shaking to the east, shaking to the west, and now was moving down the shining easy that just scream over little baby. Shake it over here with me. Shake it, oh, oh, oh. My heart's beating like a drum, still looking for my tambourine.
Come on over, baby, shake it with me.
She had me moving like a bullet, shooting down a gun. We're trying to get a piece of all your Betty Boopin' love. Come over, little baby, take it over here with me.
Shake it, oh, oh, oh.
My heart's beating like a drum, still looking for my tambourine.
1, 2, 3, oh. 1, 2, 3, oh. Gotta know how to pony, bop, bow. Like Boney Marlene, bop, bow. Mashed potato, bop, bow. Do that like a minute, bop, bow. Put your hands on your hips, yeah, bop, bow. Let your backbone slip, bop, bow. Do the what to say, bop, bow. Like my little Lucy, bop, bow. Check this out, fellas.
more time.
Na 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 na.
Aw, gang, this summer's just flying by way too fast.
Say it ain't so, Dean. Oh, say it ain't so. I don't want this summer to end. What's the point of trying to pretend?
Summer's not over yet, Noxie.
I guess you're right, Floyd. Come on, let's kick it up a notch. Woo! Summertime.
I suppose.
Thanks. Time to sit back and unwind.
Nice vocals. You're on a holiday. Can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you. And I wanna feel you too. On a night in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun. And it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. Here comes summer.
Gonna soak up the sun.
Here comes summer.
Gotta tell everyone to light them up. Gotta tell them that
Here comes
I've
summer.
got no one to blame.
Here comes
Every
summer.
time I feel lame, I'm looking up. I'm gonna soak up the sun.
Don't let the sun go down on me.
I see the point beach.
Though I search myself, it's always someone else I see.
I gotta soak up the sun.
Just allow a fragment of my life. Let the sun shine bright. Get to the point. Let the sun shine bright. At Cedar Point.
Thank you for soaking up some sun with the Swell tones. Be sure to kick it into high gear and check out all of the other great live entertainment here at Cedar Point.